What's good, YouTube? Here it is. You guys want to see it real quick? Straight to the point, or maybe not. So I got this Nespresso machine. I'm sure you guys are checking it out. Quick review. It's pretty nice. Got the frother with it. It came with it. Came with the deal. As such, here's the water tank in the back. Had it for about a couple months now. Do I like it? I do. Is it worth it? I don't know how much I paid for it. I paid probably about 150 or bucks for it or something like that. Here's the pods. There's a bunch of them. Open it up. Such. Shove that bad boy in there. Close it. Lock. And now it does its thing as such. So this little tray right here, it's adjustable and go up or down. I'll show you guys in a minute. It's doing its thing as such. So pros, you get that gourmet stuff. If you guys want that gourmet stuff, it's there. Starbucks quality, I don't know. Could be. It's almost like something if you don't wanna leave the house. And what it does is, you put the capsule in there, it turns it, spins it around, gets all the juices out, coffee, whatever. And then it's done. That easy. Open it up, and then it grabs a little pod, and it shoves it in there. And here's the waste basket for the extra capsules, once it's complete. You can take that out, remove it, dump it, shove it back in, good to go. Boom. There you go. This is removable, obviously. How much does it hold? I don't know. Maybe about 42 ounces or whatnot. It works. If you guys want to check out the frother, we'll do this. We'll grab this. So the frother, as such, got the high speed almond milk. You can shove that thing in there. There's two, I guess, fill levels, maximum, minimum, maximum. And then put the lid over it. Hit the start button. And then it does its thing. You guys want to check it out. That's what it does. So what it does is it gets the milk hot and then it froths it. Had one of those little handheld frothers. Where is it at? Oh, it's over here. Had one of these bad boys. But this is better because it gets it hot. At the same time, it froths it. So once it's complete, once it gets it to a certain temperature, it stops frothing. And you guys will see here in about probably, I don't know, 5 seconds. All right, well, I lied, so, you know, it is what it is. It's frothing away. It's almost done. If you want it to stop, you can stop. We'll just stop it. You guys get the idea? There's it. That's how it's froth. Get that gourmet stuff going. So, there you go. And an espresso. It's pretty strong. The espresso is pretty strong. It's actually really good. So go cop yourself one. I got mine at Target. Oh, so the only issue with this is that you can't go to the stores and find the capsules as such. Boom. So this is where I keep all my capsules. You know, you got different stuff. We got the double espresso scuro, whatever, 2.7 fluid ounce. What else we got here? Alto of Tenso, 14 ounces for a coffee cup. What else we got here? Is this the same one? Double espresso, yep. This blue one. What is this one? Davalito, don't know. There's a lot of different stuff. If you can go on the Nespresso website to check them out, it's almost like they're exclusive. So that's the only bad part. Oh, this is a big one. I use that in my coffee cup. So 18 ounces. So yeah, so that's the only issue. It's only exclusive for Nespresso. It's like you gotta go on Nestle's site and buy them. They're about $1 each. They come in like packs of 10, or you know, you can mix and match. They don't have it at Costco, so you can't get it at Costco. You can't find it in stores. That's the only issue. So you're gonna have to plan ahead. You're running out of coffee. It takes about a week. The Nespresso factory out here in California, it's down the street, so you know it takes about 3 or 4 days once you get it. Besides that, it works. It does its job. It does what it's supposed to do. It does what you want it to do, and yeah, that's about it. Do I like it? I do. I do. I just wish that, you know, the tank, the water tank was probably like off to the side or something, you know? Like that's my main issue. Like I wish it was off to the side, because it's just a pain in the butt to get to that thing. Well, you know, I'm being very, you know, but if it was off to the side, you can grab it. But it's off to the back, so it's kind of a pain in the butt. Not really feeling it. You know, it comes with this again. So yeah. That's what it is. Oh, check it out. So it adjusts. If you guys wanted to adjust. And then, yeah, so that's it. Quick review. I don't know if it's quick, 10 minutes. You guys can fast forward and do whatever it is. But that's it. That's how it works. All right, guys. Out. Later.